warning for Livingston County in central Illinois, southeastern LaSalle County in north central Illinois, Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, until 10 p.m. At 8:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northeast of Marseilles to near Cornell to near Minong, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Cornell around 8:45 p.m. Gridley around 8:55 p.m. Morris and Odell around 9 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Mazon, Gardner, Braceville, Sonneman, Fairbury, Cullum, and Chatsworth. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 188 and 232. Interstate 80 between mile markers 97 and 111. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. In addition, this may cause a brief period of blowing dust and near zero visibility before the rain begins. The National